Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we re-dive in deep into a piece of tech that is an absolute game changer. If you a seadoo owner, a PWC enthusiast, or a marine mechanic, I'm talking about the BRP Buds system. For anyone who works with seadoo jet skis or other BRP marine products, this isn't just a handy tool. It's pretty much the essential diagnostic system you need in your workshop. So, let's get into what it is, what it does, and why it's so powerful. First off, what does Buds even stand for? It's BRP Utility and Diagnostic Software. Think of it as the ultimate key to unlocking all the electronic secrets of your CB. It's a specialized software and hardware combination designed by BRP specifically for their products. This isn't some generic one-size-fits-all scanner. It's a purpose-built system that communicates directly with your watercraft's brain, the ECU, or electronic control unit. This direct line of communication is what makes it so incredibly effective and accurate. So, how does it work? The system consists of a hardware interface, which is the physical device that plugs into your watercraft's diagnostic port, and the Buds software that you run on a laptop. Once you connect the hardware to your seadoo and your computer, you fire up the software, and that's where the magic begins. The interface acts as a translator, allowing your computer to speak the same language as your seadoo's ECU. It's a seamless connection that gives you access to a massive amount of information and control. Now, let's talk about the cool stuff it can do. The most common use is reading fault codes. If you've ever had a warning light pop up on your dash, you know that feeling of, oh no, what now? The Buds system takes the guesswork out of the equation. It pulls a specific fault code directly from the ECU, telling you exactly what the problem is. Is it a sensor failure? An issue with the fuel system? The software will pinpoint the source, so you're not just blindly replacing parts hoping for the best. This saves you an incredible amount of time, money, and frustration. It turns a potential multi-day headache into a targeted, efficient repair. But it does so much more than just read codes. Another huge feature is resetting maintenance reminders. You know that little maint message that pops up on your display telling you it's time for service? After you've done the oil change and checked everything over, you need a way to turn that light off. The Buds system lets you do that with just a few clicks. It's a simple function, but it's crucial for keeping your service record straight and your dashboard clear of annoying notifications. For professional shops, this is a non-negotiable part of completing a service job correctly. One of the most valuable features, especially if you've ever lost a key, is key programming. Seadoo keys, which use the DESS, or Digital Encoded Security System, aren't like your house keys. Each one is electronically paired to your specific watercraft. If you lose one or want to add a spare, you can't just buy a new one and expect it to work. You need to program it to the AC. The Buds system is the tool for the job. It allows you to add new keys, delete lost ones so they can't be used, and even program different types of keys, like a normal key versus a learner key, that limits the watercraft desktop speed perfect for new riders or family members. And for modern seadoos, checking the IBR system is absolutely critical. The IBR, or Intelligent Brake in Reverse, is a complex system that controls the watercraft's braking, reverse, and neutral functions. It's a fantastic safety and convenience feature, but it's also electronically controlled. With Buds, you can perform diagnostic tests on the IBR system, check the operation of its components, and recalibrate it if necessary. This ensures that one of the most important safety features on your CDU is functioning exactly as it should be. Beyond these main functions, the Buds system gives you access to live data streams. You can monitor engine parameters in real time, like RPM, engine temperature, sensor voltages, and more. This is invaluable for diagnosing intermittent problems that don't always trigger a fault code. You can see what the engine is doing at the exact moment a problem occurs. You can also activate certain components, like fuel pumps or injectors, to test their functionality without having to run the engine. So, who is this for? If you're a serious DI here who performs all your own maintenance and repairs on your seat, investing in a Buds system can pay for itself very quickly. You'll save a fortune on dealer diagnostic fees. And for any independent marine repair shop that works on BRP products, it's not even a question. You simply cannot offer a full, professional service without it. It is the main diagnostic system the gold standard for seadoo service. In short, the BRP Buds system is a powerful, comprehensive tool that allows for deep-level diagnostics, key programming, and system checks on seadoo. It's the bridge between the mechanic and the machine's complex electronics. If you work with CDUs, this is the tool you need. That's our deep dive for today. I hope this gave you a better understanding of what the Bud system is and why it is so important. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, and be sure to subscribe for more content on PWC Tech and Tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.